Good evening, friends. So I have another big update. $3,600 monthly stimulus checks may finally return in just a few weeks, and top Democrats are proposing a brand new stimulus relief package that would include monthly payments for all eligible families. However, Democrats may have to change eligibility requirements for these checks in order to gain Republican support on the bill. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of these details. Also, to say thank you for watching my videos, I'm giving away $75 Walmart gift cards 4 days a week. Please enter the giveaways by clicking and liking several of my videos and then commenting below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then leave a comment on, the greater your chance of winning these giveaways. And friends, I'll be announcing a winner in a video later today, so please stay tuned for that video.
Again, the IRA, you have to be, some of the Irish are a little sensitive about whatever, but the Inflation Reduction Act, it's a kitchen table issue. If you are sitting at your kitchen table and wonder how you're going to pay the bills, your healthcare bills, your prescription drug bills, this bill's for you. It finally enables Medicare to negotiate for the price of prescription drugs. It prevents excessive price hikes. It caps out-of-pocket prescription drugs to $2,000, extends the Affordable Care Act subsidies for 3 years to lock in lower premiums that save 13 million people an average of $800 a year. And then it combats the climate crisis, cuts carbon pollution by 40%, creates 9 million good-paying jobs, and brings energy costs down from like 5 to 500.
President Biden hoped the enhanced payments would continue through at least the year 2025, helping families pay for necessities. Republicans fought to put an end to the enhanced child tax credit after 6 months, plunging 3.7 million children back into poverty. Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders is really persistent in terms of reintroducing a federal child tax credit, pushing for such to be included in this new legislation. When Senate Democrats met to hammer out details and the vote on the scaled-down Inflation Reduction Act during what they called a vote-a-rama on August 6th, the Vermont progressive was combative in trying to get the federal child tax credit passed. While on the Senate floor, Senator Bernie Sanders said, "I will be introducing an amendment to expand a $300 a month child tax credit for the next 5 years, paid for by restoring the top corporate tax rate from 21% to 28%. The proposition is in response to the elimination of the enhanced federal child tax credit that was in place last year. By expanding the child tax credit significantly for 2021, the American Rescue Plan Act created the largest U.S. child tax credit ever and provided most working families $3,000 per child under 18 years of age and $3,600 per child age 6 and younger. The American Rescue Plan also made the credit fully refundable and provided tax credit options for many families to receive the credit in installments. The enhanced credit has reverted to its original maximum amount of $2,000 per child for 2022. If Senator Bernie Sanders was successful in his amendment, the enhanced child tax credit would replace the standard maximum credit for an additional 5 years into the year 2027. Senator Sanders has frequently voiced his dissatisfaction with the Inflation Reduction Act, claiming it did not expand enough on issues like healthcare, childcare, and housing. According to Yahoo News, Bernie Sanders said he plans to hit the trail for Democrats to drum up support for the party moving forward. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you agree with Senator Bernie Sanders? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thousands of Connecticut families will be receiving checks worth up to $750 this month. Governor Ned Lamont signed a bill into law this spring, providing families with a state tax rebate of up to $250 per child for a maximum of 3 children. The 2022 Connecticut child tax rebate will be sent to qualified recipients beginning in late August. However, friends, the office of Governor Ned Lamont said the application period closed on July 31st, 2022. Friends, the keyword for this video is Casper Mountain. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Casper Mountain, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And please, friends, do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. According to state officials, almost every resident of Colorado is eligible for a tax refund check. About 2.4 million checks have been sent out, each for $750 for individuals and $1,500 for joint filers. The rebates are due to the state's $3.5 billion budget surplus and constitutional limits on tax collection. The Department of Revenue spokesperson Suzanne Kerr said, "There are a small number of checks still being processed, but they should be sent out within a week. Of the total sent out, about 1 or 2% may be intercepted due to things like back taxes or unpaid child support." So friends, this is great news for those of you that reside in the state of Colorado. Residents who lived in the state all of 2021 are eligible for the rebate checks. The state has reported that so far, more than 55% of about 2.4 million checks, worth about $1.35 billion, have been cashed. While the money is required by the state constitution to go back to taxpayers, Governor Jared Polis and his fellow Democrats in the legislature are taking credit for it being returned sooner. And as an even across-the-board amount, Taxpayers' Bill of Rights, also known as TABOR, allows for multiple avenues of refunds. Direct cash rebates typically scale with the tax filer's income level. The legislature passed a law this year to make this rebate equal for all recipients. Well, my awesome and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you, dear friends, for joining me here daily and watching these videos. To say thank you, I will be announcing a winner in a video later today. So please stay tuned for that video. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed evening.